Hey, good morning, friends. How are you? So, here's the Great Wall of China, the Berlin Wall. Some of you must have also heard the album The Wall by Pink Floyd, but I bet some of you must have not read or seen a sentence wall. Now, what is a sentence wall? What are the bricks that we are going to use for this sentence wall? And how is it going to help your child? So, here's how you make your sentence wall. First, you choose and type the sentences that you would like your child to practice reading. They can be very, very simple, they can be very difficult, complex, with syllables, with single syllables, multisyllables. Stick these sentences on a chart paper, print them in a large font size so that the child can read it from a distance. Stick them on a spare wall in your house or a stairway or anywhere where your child can read it easily. So, when you're making a sentence wall, you're not only helping your child practice reading, but also remember that many a times the children are like really fed up and bored and they don't want to read out of books. So, this is something which will help them not only practice reading skills, but also many a times they are in the mall or they are on the road and they look at some road signs, they look at the names of the shops, they look at the billboards that are there, and they would like to read them. Here you see the blank wall that we had outside our office. And then this is what it looks like right now with all the sentences on the wall. Remember that in case your child is not able to read any longer sentences, you can also choose and point out, you can use a scale and point out to some words that you think your child can read. Please don't make it very, very difficult and challenging words, because then the child will lose interest. This is supposed to be a very fun activity, a multisensory activity where the child is enjoying himself and enjoys reading. And I'm sure this is the same skill where you can then transfer it. And when suppose you're on the road with your child and you can say, hey, you point out to that word and say, let's see if we can read this word together. And you can also take turns. So let you read one sentence, the child reads another sentence. So it becomes like a buddy reading and a fun activity. I'm going to share with you the sentences that are on our wall. Now, I have pasted 105 sentences on this wall. But of course, you don't need to do so many in one go. You can choose 10 sentences. I mean, you can share it with your child that each sentence is like a brick in the wall. So you keep pasting the sentences on everyday basis also. Now I'm going to share with you all these sentences, and if you would like to copy them, please feel free to copy them. And also I would like and request you again that the font size has to be very large, because that's the idea of the child reading from the wall and be able to read the road signs and be able to read names of the shops, because they are all very large font size. So friends, I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and I'm sure you will be able to make the sentence wall with your child. Please like, comment, subscribe and share. And for any further questions, please refer to the details in the description below. Thanks for watching. Bye.